Thinking about getting into crypto futures but don't know where to start? You've heard about the potential for high returns and the ability to profit from both rising and falling markets, and you're wondering if Kraken is the right platform for you. Today, we're going to dive into exactly that: how to trade futures on Kraken. First things first, what are futures? In simple terms, a futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price on a future date. On Kraken, this allows you to speculate on the price of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the underlying asset. A key feature here is leverage, which lets you control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. It's a powerful tool, but remember it also amplifies your risk, so use it wisely. To get started, you'll need a Kraken account, and you'll need to go to the Kraken Pro interface. Once you're in, you'll need to unlock derivatives trading by checking your eligibility and agreeing to the terms. After that, you'll transfer funds from your main Kraken wallet to your futures wallet. It's a seamless process within the platform. Now, let's talk about the trading itself. On the Kraken Pro Trade tab, you'll find the Market Selector. Go to the Derivatives tab to view all the futures contracts available, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum perpetual contracts. Perpetual contracts are a popular choice because they don't have an expiration date. Once you've selected your contract, you can choose your order type: a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. You'll also specify the quantity and your desired leverage. Kraken offers various tools to manage risk, including stop loss and take profit orders, which you can use to automatically close your position when it reaches a certain price. Once you've set your parameters, you submit the order. If it's a market order, your position opens instantly. If it's a limit order, it will wait for the market to reach your price. You can monitor all of your open orders and positions directly in the trading interface. Trading futures is an advanced strategy, and it's important to understand the risks involved. Kraken provides educational resources and a demo environment to practice with before you commit real capital. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.